Alkhanyana abangeni kanjalo manzini uLothi manje sekazenza king prophet kapa baba sebayetsa ditaba tsa dinu kanti nawe sometimes there's a voice that comes to you now unowakho uyayizwisisa but manje thina sizofuna ukuthi sichinche what God is saying to you uNkulunkulu manje ngathi uthandazele something and go to the water but because of sakubona ufaka ibadge it's wrong
hayi no
now siceka impahla eziyellow nezigreen but uNkulunkulu share with one thing we need to love one another even though I see that is why asho ukuthi if kuna something elihlweni lami mina ngibona nawe kuwe ikhona funeke senze njani sisulane but thina manje asisasulani siyaphulana that is why abanye abantu baxolela ukuthi baye kuphi etavern you know etavern angafika manje etavern ngilambile ngizomtshela lona uzoyenza iplan and angeke azatshele loyana sizophuza sibe into eyi1 abangakhanyana abangeni kanjalo